Hey, what's happening, guys? What's going on, YouTube? Good morning, and you have tuned into Rules for Rebels. We just got a couple of quick Amazon merch updates for you guys this morning. Nothing too huge, so this video should be pretty short. But on the Amazon merch dashboard, as of yesterday, 3/18, we had a little notification. In September, we shared information on the migration of t-shirt product detail URLs. To continue offering long-term product submission growth, we will perform the same migration for hoodies, sweatshirts, and long-sleeve tees. If these types of products were added on or after July 20th of 2018, they are already published in that format. Beginning today, hoodies, sweatshirts, and long-sleeve tees published before that date will be migrated to the new format on a rolling basis over the next few weeks. And I've been seeing over the past few weeks and even past few months, when you see like your Amazon dashboard and kind of like your most recent uploads, I've been seeing a lot of like older shirts on there, which tells me that Amazon is slowly migrating those over. And kind of the change that they're referring to, I mean, this really doesn't affect the day-to-day runnings of your merch, but just in case you guys were curious, back in September of last year, they put out this message and it said, to offer long-term product submission growth, we are migrating our product detail page URLs to a new format. T-shirts added on or after December 16th, 2017 are already published in this format, and beginning today, t-shirts published before this date will be migrated to the new format on a rolling basis over the next few months. Now, I forget exactly what kind of the specifics of this were. I think it was something where maybe before, I should have looked this up before the video, but I think it was something where before every variation of maybe size and color had its own ASIN number or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. And I think maybe they changed it to where an entire listing has one ASIN. If anyone knows what the change is, John Marshall, I'm sure you probably know this. Go ahead and drop a comment down below. Again, doesn't really affect the day-to-day of your merch. I know a lot of people thought that this meant, newer shirts were going to get more visibility, because a lot of us were complaining that, our shirts from 6 months ago, a year ago, 2 years ago are selling, but anything new we put up doesn't sell. So I haven't seen a whole lot of increased sales or visibility in new listings, so not sure, if this change actually had any effect, but this did come across the dashboard the other day. So if you start seeing some of your shirts go back into processing or anything like that, for long sleeve tees, hoodies, and noodies, that's what it is. And then another thing, just to make you guys aware of, I don't know if this is going to affect you guys. I know this is going to affect me. So Amazon has long had a policy of not allowing words, I guess kind of descriptive words about like the printing on a shirt. Amazon didn't want us to use words like metallic or glittery or 3D, because, the way that they print shirts, nothing is 3D, nothing's going to be metallic, nothing's going to be glittery. I mean, you could go on, some stock photo site and get kind of like a metallic overlay, but it's going to wind up printing kind of bland. So they didn't want us to use those words. And I guess it kind of makes sense that it's the same thing for neon. This was actually posted on the subreddit Amazon merch the other day. And any of you guys who are selling on merch, I would encourage you to join some type of Facebook group, some type of forum, maybe the Amazon merch forum. There's a million Facebook groups, but a lot of these policy updates that Amazon puts on the dashboard, they're good. They when they change the swearing policy, when they roll out pop sockets, they notify us of new policies through there. But these little things like this, you're never going to hear about on the merch dashboard, but you will hear about these things on forums. So there was a Reddit post. It said, remove the word neon from your listings. It seems neon is a new no-go word with Amazon. They're rejecting new designs and removing previously submitted designs with neon anywhere in the title, description, or info sections. I highly recommend changing your listings now before it gets removed and you lose your BSR. So, if you can go in right now before they remove it and change the word neon to bright or something else, that t-shirt's going to remain on Amazon, and any reviews, any BSR score that you've built up is going to remain as well. If Amazon takes that shirt down and you have to relist it, you're starting from scratch. So, go into your Amazon account. There's a search function where you can search or manage all your existing listings. Search for the word neon, anything that has neon in it, get that word out of there, change it to something else. One thing that kind of sucks, and maybe just kind of a little life pro hack kind of tip for you guys, I know a lot of times we can't see what later on is going to be an issue with Amazon, but if you're ever going to put something, a questionable word, a questionable descriptive word, etc., in one of your Amazon listings, try to put it in a title instead of the bullet points or the description. Reason being, when you do use that manage your existing t-shirts function and use the search function, it only searches titles. It doesn't search bullet points or descriptions. So if I have some shirts where I've used the word neon in the bullet points or the description, they're not going to pop up when I search. So unless I remember that shirt and the title and can go look for it, I'm probably not going to find it. No shirts are going to be taken down. I was doing a lot of like neon 1990 style pop sockets and things like that. So I have a bit of editing to go back in and do. This has nothing to do with, here someone says, this has been the case for some time now. Words like glitter, metallic, fluorescent, neon, holographic are all on the same boat. So this has nothing to do with like content policies. Nobody's trademarked the word neon. It's just, like they said, Amazon can't print glitter, metallic, fluorescent, holographic, etc. So they don't allow you to put these words in your listing. So there's just kind of two quick brief merch updates for you. If you guys have any other ones that I've been kind of slacking on getting these merch update videos up lately. So if you guys know of any like new trademarked words we're not allowed to use, any new kind of unwritten policies, anything else that I've missed out on, feel free to drop a comment in the comment section below. And kind of inform us of it. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button below, and we'll catch you on the next one, guys.